Hello guys, today we are doing atrasa. So the ingredients required are 1 cup of rice. You need to take idli rice or dosa rice. Don't take normal eating rice. And then 3/4 jaggery. And then you need 1/4 grated coconut and 1 tablespoon of til or black sesame seeds and 2 elaichi. So the procedure is here. You need to soak it for 4 hours. Then you need to dry it and all the water. Then what you have to do is take a clean cloth. So and don't dry it in the sunlight. So you have to dry it inside the house. So you just what you have to make is just spread it out like this. It should not be fully dry. You just need to spread it all over. Okay, gently you have to do this. You need to dry it for 2 hours. It's enough. You can don't dry more time. It should be still wet. Then that time we need to grind it. So I'll show you that later. So I have kept it for 2 hours. Now it is little wet. It should be like this. It should not be fully dry. Now I'm going to make it powder in mixer. So let me take all of this in the mixer and make sure you will make it fine powder. So what you have to do is once you grinded it, so you need to sieve it. No, it's not fully powder. So what you have to do is you need to take this filter. So in that you need to take a small bowl, one very small one you need to take and pour it all over here. And you need to just filter it like this. So you'll get a fine powder down and whatever left over you have to grind it again. So what I will do is I will put it into the mixer once again and I will make a fine powder out of it. Preparing this, first we have to prepare syrup, jaggery syrup. So in the same cup I have taken 1/4 of water and I have kept it here. So to that you need to add jaggery, that is 3/4 cup. So let me put all this to the vessel. And this step is very important. Here you need to boil it thoroughly, and this syrup, it should not be too watery or it should not be too hard. So you need to make a proper consistency here. So let it melt for 2 to 3 minutes. Then let me check the syrup consistency. Jaggery is melted. Let me check the consistency. So you can do like this. You can take a big spoon, any big spoon like this. So what you have to do is put a pinch or drop over water. No, it's not a proper consistency. You can see here it is dissolved completely. It should not dissolve. When I put it in the water, it should make a ball and it should not dissolve. Then the consistency is proper. So let me boil it for another 5 minutes. Check the consistency of jaggery syrup now. So let me drop it here. So you can observe here. So it is forming a ball consistency and it's not melting over. So when it reaches this point, it is a perfect consistency. You can observe here, it form a ball. So even if I drop it also, it won't dissolve. So this is a proper consistency. So once it reaches this consistency, you need to add a rice powder, which I have prepared already. So let me add it. So while adding, you need to add little by little, so that should not form any lumps. So let me add like this. So let me add a couple of spoons and I'll give a nice mix. Okay. Then I'll add some more. So let me it now. And you need to give a nice stir like this, so that the jaggery and rice powder should mix together nicely. So let me add all of this. I'm just stirring it. Syrup. So now I'm going to mix it properly. So I need to mix it. Easily you have to mix it like this. You can observe here, my rice powder is well mixed with the jaggery. So you need to mix it for another 3 minutes. So at this point you can add 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil. So let me add a tablespoon here. Now I'm going to mix it. You can see here, almost my mixture is ready. So at this point, you have to add other ingredients: elaichi powder, sesame seeds. You can use either black or white, your wish, and a coconut gratings. And make sure you're adding a less coconut gratings, or else your atrasa will break in oil. Let me add all of this. So I'll mix it and I'll switch off the gas. Mix all together. Now I'm gonna switch it off. Now my mixture is ready. It should cool completely. So I'm going to keep it here for another 30 minutes. It should cool completely. Then you can start doing your atrasas. My mixture is ready. I'm making atrasas. So you need to just put a oil like this and just press it like this. It should not be so thick or so thin. You should make it properly like this. Whatever size, how much ever big you want, you can make it. So let me make 5 here. So I'm making here 5. So make sure you have put oil to the plate. So on here, meanwhile I have kept oil for heating. So, and the oil should not be so hot. So should be like this. So I'm making here. So let me make one more. Since I have kept big kadai, I can easily make 5 atrasas. Some people call it as even kajaya also. So let me make it here. check the oil. Yeah, it's heated. So now what I'll do is I'll just drop a pinch of dough. Okay, it's proper. You can check here, it is coming up. So in this point I'll just keep it in a sim. So make sure you keep it in a sim, or else your kajaya will be burned from outside and inside it will be sticky. So slowly drop it one by one and don't touch it now. Okay, I'll just add 4. So you can just put a oil like this. So I have kept in a sim. So you can see here. So when it comes up, it shows it's a proper and it's a correct consistency. You can observe here. So they come and they are fluffy. So they are puffing, and slowly you have to just turn it another side like this. So let me just yes. So let it fry. So now at this point I have some space over here. So let me put one more here. So you need to be very patient. If you keep high volume, so you can see here, so it has become golden brown. So let it fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. And even you can observe here, it has not spread in the oil also. You need to be very patient while doing this, or else your atrasa will be burning from outside and inside it will be sticky. So you need to be gently do it like this. So let it fry. And one more thing, it will be soft now. Once it cool down, it will become hard. So just by the color you need to take out from the kadai. So it is soft only, it won't be crunchy now. So when it cool down, it will become completely crunchy. So don't put it for longer time also. My first batch atrasa is almost ready. So since I have put this one after some time, so it has not cooked yet, that's okay. I can remove this core. Okay, let me take out now. And one more thing, it absorbs lot of oil. So what you have to do is, you need to take out like this and use one spoon like this and press it gently, so that the extra oil will be going out to kadai. So I am making it now, and don't even overdo it also at the same time. So I'm just keeping it. So now let me take the second one, and I'm doing just pressing it like this. Like this you can make your kajayas or atrasas ready. So you just press it like this, that extra oil will come out.
Now atrasa is ready. If you like this channel, please press the like button and the subscribe button, and please don't forget to write the comments.